Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Google Photos default on iPhone. So it is a quite simple procedure, and if you need to do that, you first of all need to open up the Google Photos, and before doing that you need to make sure that you have allowed the sync of iPhotos to other application through your settings. So once you have opened up your Google Photos, you need to make sure that you have backed up all your photos. So to do that, you need to head over to the Google Photo settings, and then you need to head over to the backup. And basically my storage is full, but if you are capable of buying more storage, just buy it and then back up all your photos, and your sync is turned on, so they will automatically get synced with your Google Photos. So basically that's how you can make Google Photos default on iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my